Twelfth Wisconsin Legislature. The 12th Wisconsin Legislature convened from January 12, 1859 to March 21, 1859, in regular session. Senators representing odd-numbered districts were newly elected for this session and were serving the first year of a two-year term. Assembly members were elected to a one-year term. Assembly members and even-numbered senators were elected in the general election of November 2, 1858. Senators representing even-numbered districts were serving the second year of their two-year term, their term having been elected in the general election held on November 3, 1857. Major events: March 7, 1859. The United States Supreme Court ruled on the case of Abelman v. Booth, vacating the Wisconsin Supreme Court decision which had attempted to nullify enforcement of the Fugitive Slave Act of 1850 in Wisconsin. April 12, 1859. Edward V. Whitten, Chief Justice of the Wisconsin Supreme Court, died in office. April 19, 1859. Luther S. Dixon was appointed Chief Justice of the Wisconsin Supreme Court. November 8, 1859. Alexander Randall was re-elected as Governor of Wisconsin. Major legislation. Party summary. Senate summary. Assembly summary. Sessions. First regular session, January 12, 1859, March 21, 1859. Leaders. Senate leadership. President of the Senate, Erasmus D. Campbell, Lieutenant Governor. President pro tempore Denison Worthington. Assembly leadership. Speaker of the Assembly, William P. Lyon. Members of the Senate. Members of the Wisconsin Senate for the 12th Wisconsin Legislature 30. Members of the Assembly. Members of the Assembly for the 12th Wisconsin Legislature. Employees. Senate employees. Chief Clerk, Hiram Bowen. Assistant Clerk, C.M. Cook. Engrossing Clerk, A.M. Thompson. Enrolling Clerk, C.T. Overton. Transcribing Clerk, G.M. O'Brien, N. Sergeant-at-Arms, Asai Kinney. Assistant Sergeant-at-Arms, Jacob Lowe. Postmaster, E.G. Garner. Post Messenger, Garrett Mahaney. Doorkeeper, D.C. Sheldon. Messengers, Singers, William W. Worthington. Dwight Allen. Assembly employees. Chief Clerk, L. H. D. Crane. Assistant Clerk, John S. Dean. Engrossing Clerk, George Burnside. Enrolling Clerk, George W. Stoner. Transcribing Clerk, Oliver Gibbs, Jr. Sergeant-at-Arms, Emmanuel Monk. Assistant Sergeant-at-Arms, Joseph Gates. Postmaster, Sewell W. Smith. Assistant Postmaster, Cyrus Fertig. Doorkeeper, G. W. Munderlow. Assistant Doorkeeper, William Adams. Fireman, F. Brown. N. L. Andrews. Messengers, Singers. Cyrus Lanyon. John Ford. W. Howard Aldrich, 12-year-old son of Assembly member William Aldrich. Aldrich, Edward Livingston. Samuel Fernandez,